What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be taking a look at how to foam a vehicle without a foam cannon on the end of a pressure washer. This and more coming up next. What's up, guys? Chris here with Splash and Wax Mobile Detailing, and welcome back to the channel. And to answer the question that was mentioned at the beginning of the video, can you foam a car without a pressure washer and a foam cannon? And the answer is yes. So I picked this jewel up here at my local AutoZone, $39.99, and it's the Griot's Garage foam nozzle, and this is pretty neat, and I'll show you how it works. So this particular foam that I'm using covers the vehicle pretty good, coming off the residence water supply. So this is not as high pressure as a pressure washer would be, but depends on your water pressure at your house, or if you're a mobile detailer or a detailer in general. It depends on the pressure at your location. You're still going to get foam out of this. It just depends on the chemicals that you use, or the soap that you use rather, and or the pressure that's you have available coming at the tip of your water nozzle here. But this device is pretty neat. It foams pretty good. This particular foam that I'm using, I'll shoot a video on. It's the Chemical Guys Honeydew. This stuff smells great. It foams up well. And it helps remove dust, dirt, and contaminants as a pre-wash. I also use it as a wash. I go back and spray it again, use it as a wash, as the soap to lubricate between my rag and the vehicle's paint to make sure that I don't scratch it. So this product here, again, I got it at AutoZone at $39.99. You can get it on Amazon or any other parts store that carries the Griot's Garage products. One thing I like about it, it comes and you don't have to have any other special equipment. You just simply have to have a water hose, a water source, and then you have a spray nozzle that it comes with a quick connect. So you can pop this thing off and pop it on. It's just like a regular water hose. You got a good grip, rubberized grip here to help with the fatigue. You have a 32-ounce bottle that you fill up for 32 ounces, and the rest fills up with water. You can put however much product you want to put in there. Depends on if you're doing this for your own vehicle or you're a mobile detailer such as I. You're going to go to multiple jobs. I go ahead and fill it up. I'm not going to use the whole 32 ounces on one vehicle, or I guess it depends on how dirty the vehicle is. But this was not bad for $39.99. You don't have to carry a pressure washer with you. You don't have to carry extra special equipment. You just carry that, hook it up to the water hose, and shoot. So if you like this video, hit that like button for me. If you are new to the video, thank you, or new to the channel rather, thank you for joining. And hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, so whenever we drop new videos on our channel, you'll be the first to know it. So thank you again for tuning in. Leave a comment in the section below if you've used this before, or if you used another product before you want to see me review on this channel. Just drop that in the comment section below. And as always, stay safe, be blessed, and until next time,